All right, hope everybody's doing well. Just had a couple things I wanted to share. This is looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart. So we're zoomed in a bit. Not as zoomed in as most of the herd is, but we're zoomed in. And this is a bearish pennant, which the probability of them breaking down is slightly greater than the probability of them breaking out. The interesting thing that I wanted to share was when you zoom out a little bit more, you go to 3-day, and we go on the bodies with our trend line. It turns into something much more bullish. And now, the bigger the time frame, the more powerful the formation or any indicator is. It kind of cuts out some of the noise. Now, we could still come back down and test some lower prices down here on this line before actually getting above our top resistance and breaking out. Then after this capitulation, our next major level is just like around 28K. It's possible that we can make it all the way up there. I would argue that we'd probably get stopped at this resistance here. Stutter step during that parabolic move and see how the market reacts with that. But we do have this huge wick. We have a lot of pressure, a lot of buyers coming in at these levels underneath 20K. Lots of buyers. So if this bearish formation plays out a little more, the bearish pennant and we break down back down and we test this bottom again, that could pretty much correspond with the bottom of our channel here before we could really break out. So let's see if we get above this 20,500-ish, 20,000, the next day, confirm support, we could have a pump. Got to see what happens, but in the bigger picture, go back to the weekly. Yeah, we're starting to bounce around in that falling wedge here, which is the more bullish pattern. But we're having momentum come into the market now. RSI is at a level where it's historically low. Last time we dipped there was 2015, and that was pretty much right when we bottomed here in 2015. I don't want to make this too long. There's a lot of other confluence with previous bottoms. I'm not going to show anymore, really. What else did I want to show? I think another point I wanted to make is, let me clean this up a little bit. On the 3-day, we're having a cross, which we're having momentum come in here. In the MFI, the money flow index, this is like volume. This is money flowing into the asset. So we're in an uptrend here, short-term uptrend within this longer-term downtrend. But indicator going up, price is going down. Usually that indicates a divergence. In this case, it's bullish divergence because price is going down, indicators going up. So money's flowing into the asset. Price is still going down. So it's an indication that price is going to do the opposite and reverse to the upside. So we'll have to keep an eye on this. I mean, it's not, you don't want to try to time the market. All of the herd thinks that the price is going down. They're worried about war, food shortages, electronic shortages, you know, all the inflation and real estate. Everybody's panicking, and they're all screaming for lower prices in the crypto market. Now, in the stock market, you watch my other videos, I believe that, you know, there's more room to go, but I believe we're also near a bottom or have bottomed in the digital asset space, at least with Bitcoin in particular, possibly Ethereum. So I hope everybody's taking care of themselves. Get outside, love yourself, believe in yourself, and just keep pushing forward. Stay focused. Now is the time to learn. I'm personally cutting out all the content creators that are talking about any news or anything. I'm not focused on any developments other than what I'm reading in white papers and projects, and just really only following one or two people that have been calling the shots on point. So other than my own analysis and my own mentor. So that's pretty much it. I hope everybody, like I said, is taking care of themselves. Eat to live. Take care.